Okay? Great. Don't look at me. Only look at yourself in the mirror. And try to express yourself at first. The last. Yeah, nice. Let's go. Open your leg. Open your leg. More. Good.
Oh, smoke.
Yeah, hand to your hair. Be sexy more. Good. Be more seductive. Yeah, show me your back. Good. Hand to your hair. Splash your hair a little bit more. Yeah, look. Don't cover your... Good. Show me your back more. Okay, yeah, good. Look at me. Good. Close your eyes. Curve your butt more. Exactly. Look at my hand here. Open your leg more and like this. No, leg wide.
Oh, to the front?
Look, like this. This way and this way. Yeah. A little go to your left. More.
Good.
Yeah, okay, good enough. Ready? Let's go. Careful. Good. Touch. Left hand like this. And curve your body. To me, more. I mean, curve your body.
Huh?
Curve your body
Oh,
more.
curve my butt.
Well, yeah. Good. Right hand gather your hair.
This one.
Yeah. Let's go. Okay. Now, sit. No, go on it.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, both legs. Okay. And open your leg. Okay, good. Yeah, open it. Let's go. Good. Face to me. Good. Don't stand.
Okay.
Come to this edge and turn to me more. Okay. Now open your leg. And face to the door. Okay. Wait. Now open this. Okay. Nice. Hand on your knee. But look at the door. Face that side. Good. Nice. Now, come here, look at me. Stay there. It should be like this, but try to show your butt. Yeah. Turn your butt to me.
Oh, like.
Yeah, exactly. Turn more.
This way.
Let me check. Nice. Good. Good. Now, Put one your knee down and like this too.
One knee down. Sorry, left.
Yeah. And right open like this. Good. Don't go back too much. Okay, good. Good. Like this. Open this one more. Okay. And but face. Oh yeah. Good. Nice. One more. Let's go. Nice. Face the other side, exactly. I mean, not like this, like this. Go more sexy. Hand to your hair. Nice. Okay. Look at it. Like this. This leg here. This hand down. This leg straight up. Okay, yeah, good. Oh yeah. Great. Good. Wait. And face to that light. Oh, no. Good. Close your eyes. Bring this one a little more close to the chair. Good, perfect. And face up. Good. Hand. A little go to that hand, I mean, come up more. Oh yeah, good. Close your eyes. Wow. Okay, now hold your hand. Let's go. Straight, yeah, good. Face to that light. Face to your shoes. Come to your shoes more. And face up. Good. Close your eyes, face up. Nice, one more. Good. Look at the door. The door. Good. Now, sit. Go. Face up. Hold it. Now, hug the chair. Yeah. Come up more and like this. And like, yeah. Leg up. Look at the door. Close your eyes. No. Face, try to keep your face near to your leg. Go to your leg. More, go. Not straight. Straight to your leg. And face up. Close your eyes. Perfect. Wow, okay. Now break one of them. And back to yourself. Yeah. And face you to my hand. Hold it. Close your eyes and face up. Look at your leg. Look at your face completely straight to your leg. And close your eyes. Perfect. One more. Finish. Okay. Nice. Do you have any other idea?